Ahmed blank like pizza. Don't or doesn't. Don't comes with I, they, we, you, and plural nouns like friends, cars with S in the end. But we use doesn't with he, she, it, and singular nouns like Ali, cat, etc. In the question here we have Ahmed, which is equal to he, and he takes doesn't. So the answer is doesn't. Easy and simple. Look, your brother is there, there, there. They all have the same pronunciation, but different meanings. And to answer this question, you need to know the difference between all of them. So keep watching. Look at these boys and look at the ball with them. It belongs to them. Like they have the ball, right? Here we use their, T-H-E-I-R, to say this is their ball. And here the boy is looking at the far ball. And here we use their, T-H-E-R-E, to say the ball is there. Clear? Here the boys are playing football. Here we say they're playing. We use their with apostrophe R-E in the end, which is the short form of they are. Wow, big difference between the three ones. The question here says, look, your brother is. So he's looking at his brother, who's far. Like here, he's looking at the ball, which is far. So we use there. Look, your brother is there. T-H-E-R-E. I hope you understand. Now you answer this question. This is their school. Which there fits here? Let me see your answers in the comments. Here we have 4 sentences. We need to fill in the gaps with to, to. What's the difference? Well, this to is a part of infinitive. It comes after verbs like want to, wish to, hope to, agree to, plan to. It could also be a preposition, like when you say, I go to a place, or I give something to someone. This to means the number 2. Clear? And this double O2, it has 2 meanings. The first one is also, like when you say me too, it means also me. And the second meaning is over or extra. And in this case, you need to try the word very. If you can use the word very, so the correct answer is 2 double O. Like in the first example here. My room is blank dark. I can't see. Look guys, I can say my room is very dark. So I can use very dark here. So the correct answer is 2 double O. I hope blank see you again. Hope is one of the verbs followed by 2, 1 O. So we use 2, 1 O here. I love you. I love you too. Means I also love you. So 2 double O here because it means also. I have 2 sisters. Sarah, 1, and Maria, 2. So I mean the number sisters here. So the answer is 2 TWO. Give yourself a mark on each one. I got 4 out of 4. What about you? Who got 4 like me? Waiting you in the comments. 5 expressions with by mistake, by myself, by hand, by chance, by accident. The first one, by mistake, means in error. I took his pen by mistake. It wasn't my pen, but I took it by mistake. By myself, without any help from others. I did all the work by myself, which means I did all the work without any help from anyone else. By hand means only by hand, not by machine. This bag is made by hand. By chance means without planning. I met them by chance. I didn't plan to meet them. It was by chance. By accident, and this one is similar to the first one, by mistake. He broke the plate by accident, which means by mistake. He didn't mean to. Do you know more expressions with by? Let me know in the comments.